Today's video, I wanted to give you guys a few quick tips. It's going to be a short, quick video, but we're going to go over a way that I just recently found out to identify new areas of interest to target on Facebook by looking at your own personal opt-ins and what Facebook has you categorized on for particular interests that you have and you're targeted by these ads in the first place. To get here, you're basically just going to open up your account, go to settings and privacy. And then once you're there and you're on this page here, you're going to select categories used to reach you. Once you click on that, observe and make sure that your information is correct here. You can uncheck a few of these things if you don't want to be targeted based off of these data points. But what we're going to be talking about is this interest categories section here. So once you click on that and click show all interests or see all interests, you can see here that there's a list of everything that's been tagged to your account and why you're receiving the ads that you do and why you see the ads that you do. There's other ways as to why ads are served to you based off of your browser interactions with other websites based on pixels. Like for example, if you're doing shopping for bedding and that website that you're shopping on has a Facebook pixel, you're then going to be tagged with other bedding type of offers. More often than not, this is why when you are particularly talking about something or looking at something or researching something, you're then receiving more than one offer in that category from multiple companies around the similar product or similar offer. That's because you're tagged with that recent activity. What I like about this interest category section here is because you can look at everything that you've interacted with and you can start to pull ideas and see correlations as to how the Facebook algorithm works and how it serves ads to its target database and audience. And this is going to help you immensely in your marketing efforts. If you're running out of ideas and you need new ideas to target, I highly suggest going into these interest categories. And how I was approaching this is essentially bucketing these into types of interests. So for example, marketing automation is a business action. So you could have a category for business actions and everything that happens under a business or a service under a business. You can start to list those out. So we can do marketing automation, we can do merger and acquisitions, we can do digital marketing, you can do sales automation, etc. So you start to find and unravel a lot of new opportunities based off these categories. Another one, Wayfair, we know that's a shopping, home decor, outside decor based website. So we can label that category as website. Entrepreneurship, this is an interest or category. Pay-per-click, this is a KPI. We could start to build out different KPI metrics that we could target. So maybe someone's interested in cost per impression or cost per view or landing page visits. There's a lot more that we can do there. If you really want to get in the head of your consumer, one idea that I had that I want to test is essentially removing all of my interest categories, starting fresh and acting as if I am my potential customer. So I'm going to be visiting news websites, blogs, taking conversion-based actions on competitor sites, and see everything that the Facebook algorithm tags me with there afterwards. And that's basically going to build my consumer profile for me and who I should target for me. So you can essentially build your target, build your audience by recreating the actions that they're going to take based off these interest categories once you've removed everything and cleaned everything up. So I hope this helps. Let me know what you guys are going to try first. And yeah, I'm excited to see you in the next video.